could have been a doctor's office, just the way it
what kind of looks.
It kind of reminds me of.
All right, then
Like when you're going to play it at the speed it's supposed to be played.
Is this the 8th of January? You want me to play at the speed it's supposed to be played first? So I'll just play that first phrase like that. 1, 2, 3. All right, and then the pickup. Then it repeats with that pickup again. Now I'm going to. So that's what it sounds like. And it's a lot, as you can see, a lot of 025, which is another reason why I kind of settled on this. And we're just kind of trying to get you to stretch out that third finger. And I did notice today that your thumb was kind of starting to come up here and point that direction.
Oh, is it moving
making it tough to stretch your fingers. Okay, so you want to be pivoting on that thumb back here. And have you been doing this exercise at all, where you leave your thumb static, but you pivot on it? Yeah, and let's do your third finger. Let's slide on your third finger with your other fingers behind it. Let's say on the second string, like that. Just put your other fingers right behind it. Just sliding on the sliding. They can slide on the same string. Yeah,
is that what you're talking about?
Yep, that's what I want. And we're stretch. What we're doing is we're learning how to kind of pivot up and get that third finger up higher. There you go. So that exercise right there. I'm on the second string right now. My other two fingers, these two, are just kind of laying here. They're not pressing anything down. And I'm not even pressing anything down with the third finger. I'm just learning how to slide up and down the strings, pivoting on that thumb right there. Okay. As I pivot, the thumb appears to lie down and point more toward the headstock. There you go. That's the motion. And with that motion, you have a really long reach with your third finger. Okay? And now I'm going to play this thing a little bit more slowly. And we're going to go. That's the pickup. And then we're here into the first 4 notes. So that is 2025. So what you want to do is kind of mentally make a note of that. And then you can look down at your mandolin and play 2025. Down, up, down, up. Till you can, maybe get up to about that fast. Just play that phrase over and over again till you get to about that fast. Then you go on to the next 2 notes, and these are, next 4 notes, I'm sorry. And right there we talked a little bit about playing that note. Then the next note is open on the first string, and while we're picking up on that first string open, we can use that to kind of sneak our third finger up to that 5th fret on the second string. So shift up there. So stretch. I don't really have to stretch. If you do, you want to pivot on the thumb. And then you got to come back up and hit that 2 on the first string again. So I'm going to play that phrase.
Where are you? You're not here?
I'm on the second.
Let's go back here.
No, I'm on the last 4 notes of the first measure.
Oh, these.
And you want to play that over and over again. Kind of memorize that. And then play those 4 notes. As many times as it takes to kind of speed it up and get it into your memory. And then once you get those first 4 notes and then those second 4 notes, then try the whole measure together, which is this. All right, and that's the way that we're going to learn fiddle tunes. Just take them, 4 notes at a time, and get those, as we say, under our fingers. And we'll discover what our issues are, if any, as we learn stuff this way. We'll discover, oh, I'm always hitting this note low, or I'm buzzing on this note. All right. And now I'm going to go on. I'm going to play the second measure. That's the first 4 notes of the second measure. would just play those four over and over again. And try to memorize it.
It's just 3.
That's 4 notes. O, 2, O, and then 5 down on the second string.
I thought you were playing here.
I'm playing that measure. I just played these 4 notes. Do, 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 do. And then it
Okay.
goes boom.
1, 2.
And then 4 in. Now the last measure is. So.
1 and 2 and 3, 4 and.
Right. So
Okay.
1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. All right. Then the next measure. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And I'll play it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. And then the last measure is 5, 2, and then 4 on the third string. And so I'm going to play that figure. 5. All right. And then the 5-0.
And then you play it over again,
Yeah,
and
then
then
the
play
5-0.
through here.
The 5-0 at the end of that first ending is the pickup, just like at the beginning of the song.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So, and that is it, I think. That's enough.
So you play this to here, then you play it again, and you go to here.